Oh, hello everybody. I'm just studying Gray's Anatomy. This is an amazing book. It was first published in 1858 when Henry Gray was only 31 years of age, so that's pretty impressive in itself. Anyway, I'm interested in the changes produced in the lower jaw by age. And Dr. Gray says, the changes which the lower jaw undergoes after birth relate to the alterations effected in the bone by the first and second dentitions, the loss of the teeth in the aged, and the subsequent absorption of the alveoli. There we are, look, see? Diagrams. He goes on to say that as we get older, the coronal suture wears out, which is unfortunate. And he says that one day someone will invent a device to alleviate this problem. I can't believe it. He's just described the cheeky chin hammock. Watch this, look. Problem solved. As the Americans would say, voila. I don't know what voila means, but that's what they always say. But if Henry Gray was here, he would say, Eureka!